Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. It comes with great features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.